You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French author once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more names from French literature, make sure to stay tuned, known for his tale, in particular, Les Contes. Charles is the French pronunciation for Charles. No, so not Charles, but Charles with a silent S. Charles Perrault. Perrault. I know the L and the T at the end are silent. Yes, don't ask me why, it's just French. Perrault. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, Charles Perrault. Charles Perrault. From French, Charles Perrault. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.